everyone, this is Seima. The last time I did a video on MTN Mashup internet bundle trick, and I taught how to browse all website with MTN 0.07 Mashup bundle. Because the moment you subscribe to 0.07 Mashup bundle, MTN will give you free 50 megabytes, and you can only use this data for WhatsApp. Apart from WhatsApp, you can't use it for any website or to browse any website. So I taught on that, how to use that 50 megabyte to browse all websites or any other website or any social platform, any social media platform. And some of you are asking how to accumulate more 0.07 Mashup bundle within a short time. So this video is about that, how to accumulate more 0.07 Mashup bundle within a short time. Okay, let's start. Let's connect the app. After connecting the app, open your Play Store and search for this app, SmartCaller. This app, SmartCaller. SmartCaller, that is intelligence caller. Make sure to download this app. After you have downloaded this app, open the app. The moment you open the app, you will see something like this, or the interface will look at it. Make sure you click on U Live. This side, you click on U Live, and the moment you get to U Live, you have they have saved codes. Let me say institution codes like banks and lottery and other MTN services codes. They have saved those codes here automatically. They are here. The moment you open it, it will come automatically. So if you can see when you come to bank service or bank service, you click where they have written more here. This side, you click here, you see that they have saved Stanbic code here, Fidelity, GCB, Access Bank, and other. It is already in the app. So we are going to do something here. We are going to save a code, the Mashup 0.07 code here. Now go to where they have written premium services, premium service, and you click more. You see that they have saved USSD code here. That is for MTN services. So we are going to add a customer USSD code here. Click where they have written add custom USSD code, and try to enter any code that you want. For example, star 138 hash, and you can save it as data bundle. You press OK. You see that it has appeared this place. Have you seen it? It's there. So if you want to check, if you want to subscribe any bundle, you just click on that and it will take you there. So this is how we are going to do it for Mashup 0.07 subscription. Try to add custom USSD code and type star 567 star 1 star 1 star 1 star 2 hash and name it Mashup 0.07 Ghana cedis. And after that, click OK. So it will be saved here. After it has saved here, you click on that to load. You see that it will take you to this place. Here, type 0.07 and try to copy. Copy and press send. Here you choose any one that you like. For if you want let me say minutes for calling, just choose number 1. You press 1. Here 1. You see, you are finished the first step. Let's move to another one. Let's do another one. Here you paste because you have already copied it, and here you press. You see, within a short time you'll be able to accumulate more. The network is very slow, and sometimes it will be faster than this. So if you continue to do this, within a short time you will be able to accumulate more bundle within a short time. So within a short time, you'll be able to accumulate more bundles. So try to do it within a short time. You'll be able to accumulate more bundle. And after you have done that, it will save this place where they have written recently used or recently used code. It will be here. So next time you will not go to where they have written premium services. You will not go to that place anymore. But always it will be where they have written recently used. They brought Mashup 0.07 code here, that the one you see. You see it has appeared here. So click here. You can click on it here, and we begin to do again. So if you continue to do this, you will be able to accumulate more bundle. And one thing is, check this place where they have this place, this side. You see that they have written 471.70 megabytes, and it's equal to what? 3 Ghana cedis. So it means if you subscribe this subscription, MTN will give you 471 megabytes of data, and they will deduct 3 Ghana cedis. So if you have 3 Ghana cedis in your account and you do this mashup trick with the 3 Ghana cedis, you will get about 2.25 gig of data. So instead of subscribing or doing this subscription of MTN giving you 471 megabytes, if you do the mashup trick, you'll be able to get more than 2 gig. So continue to follow our tutorials, and I'll show you more on how to browse more and spend less. One thing I want to add is sometimes some people are complaining that when they are trying to connect, the app won't connect. Let me show you one thing to do if it's not connecting. The first thing you have to do is to turn on the airplane mode. Turn on the airplane mode for just seconds, and turn it off again, and try to connect, or turn on your data and begin to connect. You see that it will connect. You see, mine has connected. And it's loading. Are you seeing that it's loading? So please, if you try to connect and it's not connecting, make sure you will do this trick and you'll be able to connect. You can change the service at any time. You will like some are faster than others, so you can change the service at any time you want. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel because there are tutorials we are about to post on this channel, and those tutorials will blow your mind. In fact, they will blow your mind. So continue to share the link of this channel so that your friends and family also benefit from what we have been teaching on this platform. And under the video description, make sure to read everything that I have posted there, because it will also help you to understand what I've been teaching. And under the comment section, make sure to comment. You can ask any question, or you can also suggest something. If you want us to do a tutorial on something, you can also suggest it. So it is allowed. Don't just watch it. Comment, like, and also subscribe, share our links, and I hope it will be profitable unto all of us. Thank you for watching.